Welcome, dear students. I hope all are well. Today I am taking a business studies, class 11. Now topics is characteristics of business activities. Now already 4 points are already discussed on previous class. Now today I am discuss the next topics, profit sharing. Profit sharing. So what is profit? Every businessman or any organization, now this may be profit organization or non-profit organization, now this may be profit organization, non-profit organization, any organization, the main aim is earn money, now is profit created. The main aim of every business, the main aim of every businessman to earn a money. Every businessman to make aim earn a money or income by the way of profit, by the way through sold and provided the services of good, Now the main aim of every businessman, to earn money or income by the way of profit. So how to create a profit? Now when you create a profit, now when you want to profit, now increase the sales volume, increase the sales volume. Okay? Now increase the sales volume. So when now sales volume is increased, apparently you reduce the cost, sales volume increase, and apparently reduce the cost. So when sales volume increase and apparently reduce the cost, then you earn the income. It is the main object of business activities. So any business run through when you earn a money. Without earning money, any organization not can go through the others. Clear? Next point, uncertainty of return. Next point, uncertainty of return. Uncertainty of return. Uncertainty of return. The uncertainty of return means now it is refers to the lack of knowledge. It refers to the lack of knowledge. Uncertainty of return means it refers to the lack of knowledge relating to the amount of money that the business is going to earn in a given period. Lack of knowledge when you earn to the money, when you earn to the money from that the business going to earn a, when you earn to the money going to the business to a particular period or a given period, Now, you cannot predict how much amount sales is there. The uncertainty of return, now it is depends on lack of knowledge, taste of consumer satisfaction, lack of knowledge, taste of consumer satisfaction, taste of consumer satisfaction. Okay. Next, change in technology, change in technology, change in technology, satisfaction of human want, satisfaction of human want, change in technology, taste of consumer satisfaction. Okay, clear? Now it is the measure to the, now it is measured to the, now it to measures to the minimization to the risks for the unavoidable circumstances. Now you can minimize this procedure, this is, now you can do the well return and reduce the uncertainty. Clear? The uncertainty means it is depends on lack of knowledge, taste of consumer satisfaction, change in technology. Okay? Clear? Next, element of risks. Next point. Now, next point is element of risks. Element of risks. Element of risks. Now, risks always measured to the uncertainty. Risks always measured to the uncertainty. The answer risks is attached to the loss. When loss is increases, risk will be increases. When loss is reduced, risk will be reduced. Now risk is measured to the taste of consumer satisfaction, introduce new technology, satisfaction of human wants, satisfaction of human wants, lack of workplace, increase in competition, now all these elements minimization through the insurance. Now all the risks are minimization through the insurance. Now you can afford insurance, all the risks are minimized. Okay, clear? Now today is completed for these topics, characteristics of business activities. Okay, thank you.